Hello and welcome to a new video.
In this video I will show you what the GD Division Panzer officer looks like after being taken out of the box. You saw the video of this character's arrival, right?
Nope.
No problem. It's this one. The link is in the description. This video was filmed in MOURA, a town in the Alentejo region of Portugal. I spent a few days on holiday there and, just as I had done previously in Coimbra, I took 2 dolls to film and make this video. Pay attention to the sound and the environment in which this video was filmed. Relaxing, isn't it? My room and my wife's room are the ones with the green door on the left. But let's get back to the point. This is the original figure that came with the set I purchased. It is finished for now. It shows the option I chose to display with the other figures. I could have used other options, but as I described in the arrival video, I like to purchase figures that have enough accessories to be used with other figures. The head sculpt is not very common for this type of figure, but it is not bad at all. The head seems small to me and the neck is too big. But of course there were and are men like this. All the insignia that originally came with the figure, the belt, the Luger holster and the map holder were placed on it. I had never seen this type of Panzer uniform before. To me, the green uniform was for tank hunter crews and I had never seen uniforms of this type with the front pocket on the tunic and pants. But I am ignorant. While searching the internet, I found a lot of evidence of this type of uniform. I came to the conclusion that it is a uniform that was used in the mid to late war by Panzer crews. I am always learning. The Panzer visor cap is quite detailed. It is possible to give it any shape you want because it has a wire inside. The insignia on it are also very good. And now let's see how this figure looks so good in a real setting. No words, just pure image and sound. As you saw in the unboxing video for this set, it includes another nearly complete uniform. This is option B, which I used on another figure with parts that were in the spares. This is the result. But wait! Did you see the unboxing video?
No. No, man. No, man.
I won't force you to watch it. But in return you have to subscribe, comment and like the video because it helps me a lot to continue doing this nonsense. Thank you. The camouflage uniform is also very good. I used a shirt, tie, belt, holster and boots from the spares. The hat is strange and doesn't include the Imperial Eagle. I'll have to sort it out. Either way, it looks good in my collection. What do you think? This is a 1/6 scale 75mm Panzer ammo box. I made it on cardboard. It's so perfect, isn't it?
Whatever, dude. Whatever.
Look how well it fits the figures. I'm proud. I don't think I have anything else to say on this subject. But it's as usual. If you have any questions or want to know more, just ask in the comments.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.
What is your major malfunction, numbnuts? Didn't Mommy and Daddy show you enough attention?